Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Renee. Today I'll be sharing with you my second bag that I've received from Nadine West. This one was a little bit delayed because of the huge winter storm that hit the US, so can't really complain. But I'm just really excited that it's finally here and that I can share it with you. So when I receive the tracking number, I always like to know where it starts out. It gives me a general idea how long it takes to get there. And I happened to click on the shipment details and it said it weighed 3.1 pounds. I was thinking, that seems like a lot. And I looked back to my first package and it only weighed 1.9 pounds. So it did. They sent me 11 items to try. 11. The first package only had 6. So excited. All right, enough talking. Let's get to it. I'll show you the prices down below because I will forget halfway through to say the prices. So I'll remember to do that during the editing part. Let's start. Came with some silver earrings. They are gorgeous. I like the detail that they have on them. They're super cute. They're the fishhook backings. And this I feel like could go with just about anything, whether it's just a casual day to the office or if you want to dress it up for like a date night. These are super cute. They also sent me this gorgeous bracelet here, and then let's see if we can tell, but it's just like a raised up lip here. So it gives a little bit more dimension there, but that is, so you can get it with the lighting here. It's just super cute. Again, I feel like you could wear this with just about anything. All right, now they sent me another necklace. What I like this time is all 3 pieces of jewelry are silver, so I could actually wear them all together. It's about a medium-sized necklace, and check out those chains. They're super lightweight. If I were to slide this on my head, look at how it's so pretty. Again, I've said it already twice before. You could wear this, dress it up or dress it down. So this time for the dress, it is in ash gray. It's really soft. It's sleeveless. And what I really like about it is that it is super long. It is below my knee. That's what I like. So I'm really excited to try this one on. Check out the gray dress. It is nice and long. It goes to my middle of my calf. Found out it has some bonus pockets. Looks like it's big enough to put your phone in it. Kind of look funny to put your phone in it, but it is possible if you need to stick it in there, if you need to pick up your kids or something like that. So it is an option. Super soft. I just love the way it hugs. If you can get a dress that goes below my knees, you get a bunch of points automatically. But the fit is so soft, and I feel like I could wear the long sleeve gray sweater that came with this bag too, and also the gray leggings if it was cold enough. So a double whammy. Next, it came with this long sleeve gray sweater. It's a V-neck, and looks like it's gonna hang a little bit longer, so you need to cover that midriff. That's just me, my preferences. So to round out our gray theme, they also sent me some gray leggings. I'm super excited about these because they do appear long. I'm 5'9" with long legs, and I do struggle to find pants that are long enough for me. So here's the long sleeve gray shirt and the gray leggings. They are the softest clothes ever. These are like pajama soft. Now I'm not one to wear leggings by themselves. I normally wear leggings underneath my skirts, things like that, just for extra warmth. But I could definitely see myself wearing this around the house. Oh my goodness. It's long. Oh, and the leggings, you can't tell, they're super long. They're actually going below my ankle. I could like wrap them around the bottom of my foot if I really wanted to. That never happens with clothes. All right, just for fun, I had to put on my gray dress with these leggings and long sleeve. It's the same type of gray. Kind of feeling my District 13 going on, Hunger Games. That's what I thought when I saw all the gray in this package. But again, it's amazing. It's comfy. Definitely around the house wear for me. Or even with this, with the dress, and then with like all 3 items, I would wear this out. I totally would. I would rock it. You know, put on some like really poppin' earrings, something like that. A nice necklace like the necklace I got here. It would go. They also sent me this black flower long sleeve shirt. It is so pretty. It does seem to hang lower. So again, I know I repeat myself, but I truly am. I'm really excited to try this on. So here is the black flower shirt. What I didn't notice until I tried on is it does have this crisscross pattern here on both arms. So you can show off a little arm. But overall, it's nice and long. I love the coverage of it. Just have it wearing now with my jean skirt. So soft. I do like the pattern on it. It's not super low cut, so I could wear this wherever I wanted to. But yeah, what do you think? Pretty happy about it. So I'm really excited about this one here. This one is definitely my style. I'm really hoping that it fits. The white shirt with the red and blue plaid. Fingers crossed, everyone, that this one fits. It fits. It fits. How happy can I be? Oh my goodness. When I put this on, I immediately ran to my mirror so I could check it out. I love it. I love the cut. Check out the sleeve. It's already a built-in rolled up sleeve because I can't handle that. Too much of that. Oh my god. It has an actual pocket here. You can't hold much, but you could hold some change. This is so pretty. I paired it with my gray leggings for right now, but I'm so happy about this. I'm so keeping this one. This one, for sure. It's not going back. It's staying here. It's found its forever home. So they sent me a second pair of leggings, which I'm really happy about because when I just went through my wardrobe the other day, I realized the only leggings that I have are maternity, and I'm far past maternity. So they just don't fit right. It's all frumpy. So I'm in desperate need of some new leggings. It's kind of like an off black here, and then it has these cute designs. Looks like kind of like a flower. Can I get it there with the lighting? Sort of, maybe. Let me see. I can do this. We will make it happen. I just need part of the pant to cooperate with me. Here we go. Here we go. These are so soft. I could only imagine how they're going to feel when they're on. Here are the black leggings. They are full length. They go all the way down to my ankle, and I could wrap it around if I really wanted to. I had to get them in some boots, and I didn't want them hiking up for some reason. They're so soft. So soft. Oh my goodness. They're just making my day with all these soft clothes. I don't even understand. I'm happy if I can have one soft shirt that I find in the store. And this whole, everything in this bag is soft. Of the softest. I don't know. They found some magical elves. They made all the softest clothes. I approve. I approve. They sent me a scarf. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to have to look it up the proper way to wear a scarf, because the only scarves that I have ever worn are the ones that you wear in the middle of winter when you're trying not to freeze when you're outside. But check it out. Definitely giving me like a retro vibe here with the browns and the burnt oranges. Is pretty though. So I'll see if I will do it justice when I figure out how to properly wear it. Look at there. I got the scarf on. Not gonna lie, had to watch a YouTube video, and this one seemed the easiest and how I would probably wear it. And what I didn't realize when I first pulled it out, but now that I have it on, it has these cute little tassels on the bottom. Oh, again, this scarf, this scarf, this scarf, it's super soft as well. It's not itchy. Oh, how do they do it with the softness? How do they do it? The last thing they sent me is this $50 gift card that I can share with a friend or family member. It's only $10. What? Perfect for a birthday gift. And I already have someone in mind, and I know she's gonna love it. But yeah, this one for sure keeping. Thank you so much for watching. I've included my referral link down below to help you save on your first Nadine West bag. Also, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.